Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix that problem you have on your Facebook. You will just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window and you just go down, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps window here like you say, and you just go down here to looking for Facebook app and we will find it. We will click here on Facebook, then we come here to next window like you say, app info window, and we will click here on for stop, then you just click here on OK and you click here on storage, then you come to storage window, you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data and you just turn off your phone and turn on it and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you are getting it now. You just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video about all Facebook settings.